Hello and welcome to the Untitled Catering Equipment Review Show. This week we are looking at the Falcon Lainox Sapiens range of combi ovens. Lainox are the world's second largest producer of combi ovens, second only to Rational, and they're owned by the Ali Group, and the Ali Group is the world's largest food service equipment manufacturing concern, which owns lots of different brands all over the world, one of which is Falcon, which is the distributor of Lainox in the UK. What is a combi oven? A combi oven is a wonderful machine that combines both dry heat and steam to cook food. And what this does is it opens up a variety of different cooking methods that you can use in one machine. So you can shallow fry, you can bake, you can do patisserie, you can even steam rice if you want to. The Lainox Sapiens are the basic model that Lainox do. They have very simple controls in comparison to their Naboo range, which are all singing, all dancing. They have touchscreen in there. They're amazing, but for a lot of people, a lot of chefs, they want something without all the bells and whistles. They want to have simple controls that they can use and understand exactly what they're doing and when. And if that's who you are, that's what you want to be doing, then the Sapiens is absolutely for you. What controls do you have on the Sapiens? You have a temperature control, you have a steam control, you have a fan control, and that's about it. So if you're a chef that really understands combi cooking or wants to learn that, then these machines are really good for you because they are simple and easy to understand and easy to control. The Sapiens come in a number of different sizes. It's probably simplest to break them down to width, so you can get machines which take a 1/1 gastronome tray, the narrow and long trays, the standard size gastronome trays, or you can buy them that have the 2/1, the double width gastronome trays. Obviously, in all of these you have a gas or electric. If you have electric, you're going to need a three-phase supply, probably 32 amp or greater. If you have the gas supply, you will still need a 13 amp socket to power the electrics on the machine. You can have a 7 rack, you can have a 10 rack, and a 17 rack and a 20 rack in the 1/1 gastronome size machines. If you're having a 2/1 gastronome size, you can have a 7, a 10 or a 20. If you are looking at a 7, that's for smaller type businesses. If you're doing under 100 meals a day, 10 rack probably above 100 meals, maybe up to 200 or 300 meals a day. If you're going beyond that, you want the 17 or the 20 rack. What are the reasons you should buy a Sapiens? What makes them different? They're very good value in terms of the market. You can get a very good oven that works very well for you for comparatively less money. Most combi ovens, if you don't know, use a probe which you will put into food and it will tell you what temperature is. The lovely thing about Lainox is actually they're very easily detachable. They just have a universal port that you can plug it into and it's outside the machine. So it means that if you're not using your probe in your cooking, you don't have to have your probe inside your machine, which actually can help extend its life. But if it were to break, because it's easily detachable and because it can be very clear that the probe isn't working, you could just wrap it up, send it back to the manufacturers and they'll send you a new one. Cleaning, many manufacturers use tablets, so you set it to clean, you put a tablet into a special basket and then it uses that tablet, rather like a tablet in your washing machine, to create detergent and then wash the machine. Lainox do it differently. They have these canisters of cleaning material. You slide these canisters in, you put the thing in, you tell them the machine you've done it, and then it will monitor the levels of cleaning material in there and it will tell you when they need replacing. Because it's liquid, the cleaning cycles on the Lainox are very short in comparison to other machines on the market. Their hard cleaning setup that gets rid of the very worst dirt and grime from the inside of their combi only takes 51 minutes. Lainox are well-made, good value brand that work really well. We don't have many people that have complaints about these machines that we've sold them to. We've certainly seen that. The support service from Falcon in Sterling is very good, and the machines themselves work very well. They do a great job, as well as anyone else on the market. They clean quickly, they're cheaper to look after than some, and to be honest with you, they do the job very well. There you go.